A big hello to all the viewers of CNBC TV 18 and your stocks from the lovely city of Bangalore. As you can see, I have with me some true blue Bangalorean investors who are here to ask their investment theory, philosophies, as well as advice on stocks. And with me is a master investor, Deepak Shenoy, founder of CapitalMind.in. Deepak, thanks very much, not just for being a part of our show, but for actually advising all our viewers here. So let me get your first question to you right away. Sir, do you want to ask your first question?
I'm Dr. Reddy from the mining town of Ballari. My question to you is, in anticipation of the Modi government taking over power, the markets have gone up. Has it already peaked, or is there still room for the market to go up?
Hi, my view on this is that the market has necessarily not peaked, in the sense there are potentially higher valuation metrics that can be used, but we are overvalued with respect to past earnings. So while the Modi government has come in, corporate earnings have not actually gone up. In fact, corporate earnings have slowed considerably. We've seen recently in the last few days, ACC results were very, very bad. Some of three out of the four private banks that have announced results have shown a drop in profits. We have seen drop in profits on the last quarter as much as 50% in the nifty companies per se. So we may be overvalued, assuming that the government will do a great job. However, even if there was a dip from here, we might be seeing corporate earnings get better from next year and the year onwards.
All right, sir, what about you? What's your question?
I am Karthik, true Bangalorean, lived all my life in Bangalore. Sir, my question is, अच्छे दिन अभी तक नहीं आए हैं, तो अच्छे दिन for oil has come. Oil prices have really plummeted. Is it the right time to invest in oil companies and especially public sector companies of oil holdings? And will this oil price falling down help any particular sectors like automotive or any of these things? And should we put our money on that?
Karthik, I am also, a Bangalore boy, but not like stayed here all my life, but I've been here for a substantial portion. And you know that we pay the highest amount for petrol because of the taxes that are here. While the oil price falling has been good for us, it's not yet been like perfect achhe din because the government has increased taxes. I still feel that the oil marketing companies are a good bet now because we've liberalized diesel and petrol. LPG subsidies are going direct. So the oil companies by themselves, which were losing a lot because of the uncertainty on who is going to take the subsidy, that part is gone. So because of that, HPCL, IOC and BPCL with the oil marketing companies will benefit. I don't, however, see a great positive in two companies, Oil India and ONGC, because they have a large exposure to the lowering of prices of oil.
I am Dr. Gopal, a forensic expert teaching at KIMS and also a Senate member of Rajiv Gandhi Health University. I always had a long question. Investments on gold and investment stocks, which do you feel is right on the long term?
Dr. Gopal, I think one of the big problems that we're having with gold is that, it's a hedge for inflation to one extreme. The hedge for inflation has now reduced in value because inflation has come down in India. We've seen Indian demand driving world prices. Indian demand has fallen. In the last 2 quarters, we track gold imports. India doesn't export gold primarily, we mostly import gold. The imports of gold have fallen in the last 2 months, which is very surprising because India, with the freeing up of the gold imports, we should be seeing imports going up. But in the last 2 months, imports have actually fallen as much as 25 to 30% we have seen on a month-on-month basis. So we believe that this will impact the price of gold in the longer term. The other important thing is that you no longer need to have an investment that doesn't pay you back.
All right, then we're getting HUL's number.